Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple building type model, and then I'm going to first texture it in Blender with procedural texture, and then also I'm going to texture in Substance Painter, which is a very easy process in Substance Painter. Hello friend, that's it. So this is the texture I have done in Blender. So this is our texture. This is our texture that I have done in Blender. So now let's do it in Substance Painter. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So this is our Substance Painter texture. This texture is done in Substance Painter. Wait 1 minute guys. So that's it friend. So this is done in Substance Painter and this is done in Blender. This is done in Blender. This one is done in Blender and this is done in Substance Painter. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.